Over the weekend, the president don't meet with the minister them, heads of department and agency them, for able to assess how far they don't go and waiting for do for move the country forward. This and other things then did for you inside the program. No go non-side. Welcome just now.
Welcome back to your usual program.
We are
me, na Usman Justin.
and me, na Ali UCC.
Today we get plenty things in the basket for Teluna.
But before that, we always want to say thank you to the subscribers them. And to you who just to come and view and not subscribe it, use this opportunity now for press the subscribe button and press the notification bell. So anytime when we post video, you go there amongst the first set of people them where you go to receive them. Today, we focus strictly on the president in retreat, where he all with a minister, with then department and agency, then where they under the government. Remember, say, one of the things then where we make people ask for change, now because of corruption and the triangleness where they been saying in the country. Well, people have been feel say, if they get a change of government, the situation go better. But not all man been think that. Before they been vote inside 2018, one man wey they call Desmond, but people can call him Tiger, been talk to one television station about in view on the change of government.
Normally when they say election, everybody is thinking that things will change. Unless when the new government come to power and then they started going the old ways. So for me, I don't see things change.
Well, this, now what I say, when a Tiger, as we don't listen and watch on the screen. But mind you, election we don't come and go March 31st, 2018. But remember, say, this now be the result we'll get from Alpha Ali Conte.
I hereby certify that Bio Julius Mada, having told 1,319,406. 1,319,406 of the valid votes cast in the 31st March 2018 presidential election runoff has been duly elected President of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
Really, SLPP been bobo APC na the last election. It been begin with happiness, but still things not change because the same people them will be the gladdy. Now they still a grumble say things just a tranga in the way where they say safe not be really expect say na something for go.
As when I say all my business, we do create a can at table for go sell. Inside APC the own time, I be sell. But actually, this is the way they don't carry say they come for change. Me I not see the changes yet. What we talk they say free education. Me I declare to Papa government. Me leave this free education. Make our food. Make everything go down. Where everything go down, you go able put picking at school, you dey able pay for your picking. But if you picking they go to school, they cry with hungry. A attention on the day inside class, because why they cry with hungry. So me I really try to Papa government, may left the free education, make our food and salon, let people they eat. Because I go able to tell you say not to honor the land. Na saloon, but na all man they eat every day. Every Christmas way they na split in for eat. So I declare to Papa government, may let this free education, make our food na saloon.
First you get 3 picky or 4 picky. Boko one does the 30,000. How they go manage go school now? Do you have Papa government help we in this country? Let everything go down. They so the chop sell market so do you help we? Picky the one land. But people they suffer money no dey na the country. Sufferness too boku. You don't cost for education at school. But if you not get money now for buy the school material, they have pick the land. Do you have papa government? Do you help we? Pick it sit down now. They sit down because money no dey na the country. All things don't hide. Buko 30,000. Bago, how pick it the land now? Do you have papa government? This is the money we. This time they lead the picking, they can't on our street. They return to Ozua. They return to drop out. Papa government, we are help we. Who brother they don't turn to thief man and now this country now because you know there. Chop no they hang one kill we. Now who brother they will sister they don't turn to drop out. They thief. They also.
Indeed. People then say all things don't hide. Thing for it really difficult. Yes, not true. Free education don't come. But if person not it, how we go able for taking? Caretaker, one time in the way you tell we say, you try for take care of the belly because you know say empty bag, not the team up. Well, because of all of this, over the weekend, caretaker, a minister them, and the different heads of agency and departments them under the government been meeting and been to money inside Freetown for discuss the way forward and look how far they don't come since they don't take 21 months when 1 year 9 months in the office. Let we listen because the caretaker been get some tough things them where he talk inside our retreat as they call them.
In as much as we have done quite a lot, our people are impatient for results and rightly so. Results that impact their individual life, not just statistics on paper. So for ministers, heads of department, you have to work together. From now, I expect and demand effective leadership, competent service delivery, punctuality, professionalism, and discipline in all areas. From today, we will end the negative work culture of Minister Nordic syndrome or go come tomorrow mentality. What has to be done today must be done. With or without the minister, there is the permanent secretary. Before then, there is the deputy minister, and there are other areas of leadership that you can always consult to get things done. So my message to you all is loud and clear. No more excuses. No more business as usual. And I want to make it abundantly clear by stating that anybody or any group of people who try to create fiefdoms or separate entities for any reason whatsoever will not be permitted to stand in the way of the development and in the supreme interest of this nation. I will take a personal action, and in this year of delivery, I don't have yellow cards. In this year of delivery, after having babysitted you, everybody, to understand the supremacy of national interest and the need for us to move in the new direction to achieve that, I don't have yellow cards anymore. We cannot fail the people of this country. We cannot fail the people of this country. I'm therefore counting on your total support and commitment to deliver 2020 as the year that we consolidated the foundation for change and transformation of Sierra Leone.
Yes, I'm glad with the words the way the caretaker talk. You know, a talk say you know, they babysit anybody again. Can you imagine? You know, they take care of any of the heads them as speaking again. You know, because I remember the time when it been just come, one of the things the way they do, now for run after them at the office them, that you building, for example, people them in day, now 10, 11 o'clock then they go. It been give one after them, anybody will go. Late, they return back to the office and then they cut and pay salary. But how long they go continue with their system then they? But we go answer again because of the caretaker stop for going after them. Now I make that again don't change. But how long? The caretaker gets other work them for do. And here you talk about yellow card.
Yeah,
The game done balabala really. Say not that mentality for yellow card, not the power again. Right now, as you misbehave and again red card, you go it. Not a good thing. I like some of them things and the way the caretaker say. And this time around, he ready because he say they no afford for fail. You know, if you give your interpretation and your interpretation, they're already the middle. Yeah, they don't come up on that side for say be successful. Then they don't turn them face to the failed part. And the caretaker don't see that coming. So what he say, we not go afford for fail.
Well, caretaker, we just believe say, as they talk and show, make it do am. Not only for do am, caretaker will dey plead to you, when you dey do this thing, if you want succeed inside am, not do am with sentiment. Anybody will fall short, the red card for affect am. Let it not be say, because me now you know now, where happen, you come at me, where Ali wait 7 me, you give me the yellow card for give me another chance. But because Ali you not to you know now, you get a red card, you not going to work. So we dey pray and plead to you say, as you don't talk and so, let it be 50-50.
You know, one thing where I want to say, I want you, caretaker, not forget Godfather. Because if you get Godfather where you work with, of course you're not able to touch your Godfather. What do I mean? If you get somebody where you respect so much, somebody where you feel say this is your idol, and you work with them, you're not able to take any strong decision against them. And it will help you for driving wrong, not the wrong place.
Oh yeah.
So do your caretaker. Please, I want you to be strong like a soldier we use for now. Yeah? Let's continue with the same thing. Like I tell you now, we still deal with the issue there. So. Now, they want them we get for make sure so they implement what the president wants, yeah, what the caretaker wants. Now the ministers, them, the department heads, them, the heads of different agencies, them. Well, now 98.1, the Minister of Information been there when I'm Mohamed Soare, he been there. And please, una listen to this question where Asma James be asking. And I want una pay attention to the answer where the minister in CSFG after where Asma be asking this question.
When we look at the living condition, the realities in una meeting, una discussion, what una say, what are the conclusion where you compare the living condition of Sierra Leoneans?
Well, this is holistic. You know, the president say we need for deliver. Tine would they bring palpable improvements, rare, touchable improvements in the lives of the ordinary man and woman. So living conditions generally now they talk about. So now that brings to the fore, you know, this country here, all they evaluate the damage of the last decade or so. Now money business no more they talk about. But the most ruinous of all lens in the national image of this country abroad. Back then, you know, they know for all the wrong reasons. Corruption infested country, Ebola infected country, mudslides, civil war, and all ends in it. So the president as chief image maker of this country, right, don't travel extensively, and those travels are paid off because a lot of the world they view it in more favorable lights now. This is intangible but important. Now make you they go now as alum posse they travel abroad. Nobody know to keep you aside for too long. You know, you open your mouth saying a Sierra Leonean, you know, you get some respect. Or they go abroad. We colleagues say, this year when I see the mass tourist arrivals who are coming, Sierra Leoneans are coming. This now as a result of very deliberate government policies, visa on arrival, removing all GST on travel-related issues, and investing at the beaches there.
But Mr. Minister, it is not done. Not try for talk for ramp people and brain. Wait till they ask you here, but bread and butter. Wait till bread and butter issue get for do it. Travel overseas, travel abroad, actually if na Sierra Leone. Not to that one day 1 year. Not to that one day who people in a weird 1 year. They ask you about bread and butter. You don't divide the question to waiting, even not concern the I don't even understand.
Okay. The minister get your own game. But the interview they continue. Let me listen back. Wait till Asma the asker.
We don't hear you now say presidents don't say this, presidents want to deliver, presidents don't tell us so, presidents say this. But in reality, presidents not be there throughout the meeting. He left una for let una discuss frankly to una safe.
Yeah.
So the issue about living condition again, I bring you cancel down the economy. What take una discuss as members of government and without presidents saying this?
Thank you.
Well, I don't make it clear. Say, you know, for a lot of the time, when you do investments and they take time for bear fruit. Policies are not in place. Initial investments are not made done. So we believe, going forward, their investments and they go begin rub off positively on people there, right? So where you go away, now the issues and they will talk about, right? How for cut red tape, how for cut down bureaucracy, how for improve working relationship. Because now, of course, if husband and wife work together, for the most part, they go make progress, right? Not only to be creating small plaba, you know. So we've been bringing the differences together. The permanent secretaries, then the established bureaucracy, the professionals, then bring to the table. Say, look, so minister, then I mean, they can be very overbearing. Some of them go can and not quite understand the issues. Yeah? Some permanent secretary, they back, you know, for resources, you know, they want for do this, they want for do this. So then, you know, unnecessarily go delay. So that be frank conversation. And you know, then frankness, then they able to make or forge win-win consensus. So I sure say going forward, we are going to be the winning team that will always have been, but more, I don't know how to put it.
Bro, me I tire with this man. It's like say no, they talk with sense. Waiting at the action with waiting the answer, now two different things.
Okay, then say for address the bread and butter issue in the country. Not to Chris call the people linking the column. For address the bread and butter issue in the country, one, it means say, then get forget better heads them. People then come together for see how best we do for relieve ourselves from the economic situation where we do so right now and try for make the economy grow.
Thank you very much. We really need better heads then. You know, for God's sake, Minister Soare, they ask you what are the things them where una they do or where una don't put in place for address the kind of situation within the country. You busy to tell about overseas travel, you busy to tell about this and that. What are these things for God's sake? We need oh wait. Caretaker, we need better heads. You really need for put people and we get better heads. Or for say una out of all what una discuss. Now that one whole retreat say. But today's retreat, una not able to come up with something way for tell the people them. For God's sake, this not to tell for begin play safe. If you explain to people waiting at the reality and waiting on a plan for, do people then go understand? But then they ask you all questions and they ask you, you divert, you count, waiting you feel for answer. Oh God! But now this make Renaissance movement again, and we want to go to them. Then tell me the same thing say. They're not able to foresee any tangible thing where the new direction they try for put in place for make sure say the life of people is better. Let's listen to them again.
This government campaign on promises that they would change the lives and livelihood of the people of Sierra Leone. In 20 months, we have not seen that. Okay. And we are very clear about that. We not say they don't record success in certain areas, but the economy, we believe the economy has not been fixed. And we not don't see. It's one thing to fix it, it's another thing to also ensure so you adopt measures in place. Where the movement say we don't see the measures in the for address the economic needs of the people of Sierra Leone.
Augustine, so he's saying we continue for the retreat.
Eli?
One line on the day.
If them be don't begin see something, okay, let's say we not see, but if things be done at the pipeline for make them able for deliver, minister not will tell me.
But this it clearly shows say some of them minister where we caretaker they appoint, they don't even know what's the paper. Because a minister will know what's the paper, you don't know the right answer where the answer for any question where they give a all retreat. You know,
apart from being a minister, you know in position at the government. Now in the talk for the government.
Can you imagine?
Now the government spokesman, the Minister of Information.
Really now they talk to we so?
We're not able to tell me waiting governments they put in place for make them address the economy in situation. Ha ha! Sorry! I will tell you something about say. He say, caretaker need for put people there. We get sober-minded.
Sober-minded people them. Indeed. You know, this not about laugh, not a joke. Now the right thing the lady say.
And not to die the discussion, don't know. We still there inside this president in retreat where all with ministers, department heads, and agency heads them. We still continue with the discussion.
It really tell like say, what we they see, now the same soup, how things they go. But then it's bright of NGC. What do you think?
My own conclusion is, yes, the government don't change, but the system will make the people suffer and not change at all.
You know, this can make I go back to salon musician and they get sense. You remember waiting that is had been say? So watermelon politics.
It's sweet oh.
Because we see say the red part of the watermelon they don't pull out. Eh? Then it's one, but what do you see? Now green. Now the same thing no more. The same watermelon. You split her inside are red, the outside are green. You turn on any out are green and red. And at the same green and red, the ragbala. Now we add some. So the people then tire with the same soup.
Imona. Really mona.
Anyway, That's now waiting the retreat, and we all discussion inside the retreat. Now we all retreat we also. And here's what we want for left una today. Inside we are.
As we left una so today, this now a short message to una with subscribers them and with viewers them. There are people where they look at the program say na insult or any other the way they want to take them. But please, una not left this party politics. This picking party politics. When somebody do a presentation, not think about yourself. Listen and think about the general public before you give any comments. That not just the advisory I guess for una we want to take people in program na the social media how una want to take them because of una your benefits.
Okay. Thank you very much for una take una time and join we inside the program today. My name is Ali Usise
and me na Usman Justin.
See you again on Saturday. God bless you.